a leech, and some bleach. And how's it going, YouTubers? And thanks for clicking on my video. And in today's video, we have something a little different. As you can tell, no Pokemon background. That's because today we are opening up Flesh and Blood Monarch First Edition. It's right there underneath the Legend Story Studios packaging. Really excited to open this. This is the second box of Flesh and Blood I have ever opened. First one that I'm posting, technically, hopefully successful, on the channel. The first video I recorded was a unlimited Welcome to Wraith booster box. Unfortunately, I tried a whole new recording setup. Didn't really go too well, so we're back to the old setup. Hopefully it goes well this time. But without further ado, enough yapping. Let's crack straight into the Flesh and Blood Monarch box. And we're back. Unwrap and let's unpack. Let's go ahead and pop the top. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Now, I've seen a couple box openings before. You definitely, you get two different pack artworks. Get like this nice goldish yellow pack, and you get this nice darker kind of like angel devil packs. It's pretty sick. Let's go ahead, put this off to the side. Start with the right side first, I guess. Here we go, guys. Flesh and Blood Monarch First Edition. I don't know if it says First Edition on the packs, which is interesting. Only on the box. But here we go. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we got first pack magic. Now, I know there is I guess a card trick, you would say, for Flesh and Blood. Now, I know a lot of people just skip the commons, but it's our first time looking at it, so let's go ahead and take a look. I mean, look at this stuff. Dread Screamer. Rip Through Reality. Deadwood Rumbler. I mean, look at this artwork on the edges on the side. This is so cool. Again, another common. We got the Herald of Tenacity. Another common, Take Flight. And a Herald of Protection common. And the artwork on this is stunning. This is why I opened this stuff up. Impenetrable Belief. Another common. Pound for Pound. Eclipse Existence. Spew Shadow. Minnowism. Ooh, there we go. There's our first holo. Nice. An Adrenaline Rush common holo. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that. Take it, I'll take it. And then we got a Ebonfold common. We got a rare Endless Maw. There we go. Look at that artwork. I mean, this is definitely not for kids. That's why I like this stuff. Glistening. Another rare. Or Glisten, sorry. And our token, the Soul Shackle with the Spectral Shield. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Put tokens here, put commons here, we'll put, I don't know, well, how many commons were there? Oh, I guess we can't tell because there's commons in the back and front. All right, there we go, a little more organized. There we go, tokens, commons, rares, super rares, holos, bada bing, bada boom. Let's continue onward. Second pack. Now, we'll continue to go through the commons. Just, this time, though, I'm going to count. It's just so that when we get later on in the box, we can just kind of skip through them, though. Smash with Big Tree. That's one. Rifted Torment. Two. Graveling Growl. Ooh, that's a sick-looking card. Second Swing. Herald of Rebirth. Engulfing Light, sorry. Belittle. Ooh, Void Wrath. That's a pretty sick looking card. Minnowism again. Zealous Belting, or Zealous Belting. Brandish. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Oh, there we go. A Majestic Rare. Nice. There we go. Majestic. I will definitely take that. Second pack. Nourishing Emptiness. Wow. Okay. What do we got behind it? Another common. Put the Majestic up there. And this one's Gallantry Gold. There we go. A Rare Invigorating Light. And another Majestic. This time a regular rare, or not a regular rare, geez, Pokemon. Regular card, not a foil or anything. Herald of Indurtion, or Industion. I don't know. I'm going to butcher it. You know, guys, how I butcher Pokemon. I'll probably butcher this too. But man, 2 Majestics in 1 pack. There we go. And our token. This one's Seer Bolton, Breaker of Dawn. And the Young Bolton. There we go. Nice. All right. There we go. 2 Majestics. I will definitely take it. And I lost count. But that's all right. Of how many commons are in front. I think it was like 8 or 11, between 8 or 11. And we'll try it this pack. All right, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. 9. Oh, 10. And 11. Okay, so it's 11 until you get your holo, which this one, we got a holo common. Arcanic Crackle. Ooh, this one's pretty sweet. All right, what do we got here? Another common. This time, Halo of Illumination. And then we got a rare Unhallowed Rites. Another rare. Wrathing Beast Hulk. And our token. Levia Shadowborn Abomination. And Young Levia. Wow. This is definitely grows up to be something different. Man, these token cards are crazy. Alright. So let's go ahead. So it's 11. So we'll do 10. And then slowly pull the 11th card and make sure we don't expose anything. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So here we go. This is a common Stony Wootenhog. Interesting. See what we got behind. We got a common. Regular foil. Ghostly Visit. Okay. Somewhere in this pack's what's known as a cold foil. I don't know when we'll hit it. Let's hopefully we get one, because you're not always guaranteed to get one. Another common, Gallantry Gold. A rare Plowthrough. And a rare Phantasmify. I have no clue. You know, guys, I'll butcher these all left and right. And our token, Crane Bound by Shadow, and Young Crane. Nice. I like these double flip cards. The first I've ever seen them was actually in the Dragon Ball Super, with the where they have the Awaken cards, where you have it basically before it hits any form, and then you flip it over and it hits the Awakening form. I believe this is the same thing. But here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There's our common Overlord. Let's see what we got for our holo card or foil. It's a common. Oh, did I miscount? I guess I miscounted, because this definitely is not a foil. I guess this is another common. Let's go ahead. Yep, I guess I miscounted. That's all right. There we go. Another Ghostly Visit common foil card. Nice, I'll take it. And then we got a common Aether Iron Weave. Okay. A rare Writhing Beast Hulk. A rare Rise Above. Wow, that's a sweet looking card. I like that. I like that artwork. And our token, Hatchet of Body, and a Spectral Shield. All right, looks like 2 weapons or 2 abilities. I'm not too sure. Don't know much about the game. I really only open these up because I really like the artwork and I want a cold foil. And I can't afford any other booster boxes, so I waited till this came out and snagged it while I could. But here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and skip the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So here we go. Common Blinding Beam. Let's see what we got underneath it. Ooh, we got a rare. Looks like a rare foil Battlefield Blitz. Our first rare first edition. There we go. Nice. What we got behind it? Common Ironhide Legs. Followed by a rare Soul Reaping. That thing's pretty. That's a sweet card. A Majestic. Oh. Wow. Bolting Blade Majestic. Wow. Look at this card. That's a sweet card. Majestic. Nice. And our token, we got a Cracked Bowel. Doing good so far. I mean, I'm happy with what we got. We've gotten a couple Majestic regular cards, a Majestic foil, Majestic rare. Man, still looking for that cold foil though. We're almost done with this first half of the box though. And then of course, when this video comes out, tomorrow is the release of Chilling Reign. There will not be a video on Friday about it because I'll be going out picking up all our pre-orders. But I will have videos Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then after that, a bunch of shorts, all Chilling Reign. So definitely subscribe and stick tuned. But here we go, guys. Yanti. Interesting. Common card. What do we have behind it? Okay, common. A foil Frontline Scout. Interesting. Okay. And then we got an Ironhide Helm. A rare Captain's Call. Okay, that's pretty cool. Reminds me of what is that? That TV show with, I think it might be Bruce Willis. I could be totally wrong. Where he's from Scotland. I don't know the name of the video. If you guys do, drop it down in the comments. A rare Dusk Path Pilgrimage. And our token, Hatchet of Mind. And the Spectral Shield. Another dual weapon token there. Alright. Almost done with the right half. Left half is almost falling into the right half. I'm trying to prevent that so we don't get them mixed up. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that is a sweet common card. And 10. Okay. So here we go. A Surging Militia. What we got underneath it? Common. Oh. Okay, I thought this was the cold foil for a second. Nope, I think this is just a regular foil. Unworldly Bellow. And then we got a common Stubby Hammerers. Stubby Hammerers. Interesting. A rare Herald of Triumph. Another rare. Invigorating Light. Nice. And our token card. Bolton. And a Hatchet of Body. Okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. Moving on. So far we got a foil Majestic. Foil Rare. A couple of foil commons. 2 regular Majestics. Decent amount of regular rares. Moving on though, next pack. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one's pretty cool. 9 and 10. All right. Actually, I think this is our 10th card, but just to be safe. Common. Yep, that was our 10th card. Okay. Rally of the Regard. And we got a common. There is, I believe, our cold foil. A Stubby Hammers cold foil. Wow. This is very interesting. First time seeing a cold foil. Let's get a close-up look at that. Stubby Hammers cold foil. His gauntlets right there are nice and you can kind of see the shine on those. There we go. There's a better shine. Nice. There we go. There is our cold foil first edition Stubby Hammers. Woo! Awesome. I'll take it, even though it's a common. It's the Stubby Hammerers. It's the meme card, according to Alpha Investments. It's the meme card. I'll take it. I don't think he's seen one, so there you go. I'll send you one. Aether Ironweave. A rare Pulping. Oh, and a 3rd Majestic. Tome of Torment. Or Tome of Torment. Wow. I didn't know we were supposed to get this many Majestics. I thought maybe 2. Nice. I'll definitely take it. And our token, Galaxy Black. And a Soul Shackle. Okay. Okay, there we go, though. We got our cold foil. Stubby Hammers. I'll take it. It's not, it's not a fable. It's not, a mythic. But I'm sure because it's a meme card, it's probably going for a decent amount of money. I would assume probably at the minimum $100. Not bad. Boneyard. Oh, well, actually, nope. We'll do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here we go. Warmonger's Reticle. And ooh, this is really cool. Nice. A hollow common, but it's Igsigma Chimera. I like this one. That's a nice common foil. Ebon Fold. A rare Glisten. And a rare Plow Through. Okay. And to finish it off with our token. Ooh, nice. Prism Sculptor of Arclight. And Young Prism. Okay. Looks like we got 2 more packs on this right side. And then we'll move on to the left side. Maybe we can still get a regular foil, another Majestic maybe, or I don't know, who knows. Maybe there's still more to be left in this box. Not too sure. But let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that one's... What? Wait. What? Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Nope. I'm really confused. We're gonna do it this way. If it wants us to do it this way, we'll be surprised. Okay. Common Minnowism. Ooh. Common Talisman of Drowsing. And a common Frontline Scout. And a foil common. That was very interesting that those common cards were backwards. Hungering Slaughter Beast common foil. Halo of Illumination common. Here's a rare. Herald of Triumph. And another rare. Valiant Thrust. And our token, Iris of Reality. And the Spectral Shield. Okay, nice. And our last pack of the right half. And then we're moving on to the left half. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th card. Here we go. Overlord. Common. Boneyard Marauder. Okay, regular foil. Nice. Common Hooves of the Shadow Beast. And a rare Rise Above. I really like the card here. It's split half. Another rare Herald of Triumph. And our token card, Leva. And a Ravenous Meat Axe. Okay. Ravenous Meat Axe. There we go. But hey, here we go. Starting though on our left side. Let's get it. Halfway done with our first technically live booster box. My second one. Doing good so far. I'm liking it. I'll probably go get another box. Right now these are sitting at around 300 to 350 bucks at the current market of this video. I bought mine for 300 bucks from a local store. Again, with the backwards cards. Okay. Guess we're going to do some backwards cards again. There we go. Common Lunar Tide Plunderer. And a common Impenetrable Belief. Common Zealous Belting. And common Illuminate. That's a pretty cool card. And a common Brandish. And a common foil Seeds of Agony. Okay. Time Skipper. And a rare Seek Horizon. And a rare Pulping. And our token card, Ravenous Meat Axe. And a Soul Shackle. Okay. Moving on. Definitely drop in the comments if you guys want me to continue doing other Flesh and Blood, or show me by smashing that like button. If we get more than, I don't know, like 5 likes, I'll continue to go get some other Flesh and Blood. We'll probably get some more unlimited stuff while it's cheap. But maybe we'll grab another Monarch first edition booster box while I can grab them for 300 bucks. All right, that was 10. There we go. Brandish. And a common Smashing with Big Tree Foil. Another Time Skipper. A rare Consuming Aftermath. That's a really sweet card. Oh, there we go. We got another Majestic. Shadow Puppetry Majestic. Man, we've got 4 regular Majestics and 1 foil Majestic. I don't know what the pull rates are, but man, I'll take it. Better than the unlimited one. There we go. Our token, Hatchet of Mind, and the Spectral Shield. I think the unlimited, all I got was 2 Majestics total. So, definitely doing better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And looks like we got a rare foil. Ooh, Endless Maw foil rare. Nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. Ironhide plate. A rare pulping. And another rare Battlefield Blitz. And our token being a cracked bauble. Alright. Noise. I don't know. I mean, I heard people get 2 common foils before. I've even heard some people get 3. You know, so I'm glad we got 1. But hey, the reason why I'm still continuing is because there is a chance we could get a second one. Let's see though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Blood Tribute common. And we got another common foil. This time a Rip Through Reality. That's a really sweet foil. I'll take it. Common Dream Weavers. That's a pretty sweet card. A rare Endless Maw. Another rare Ode to Wrath. That's a sweet artwork. I like that a lot, actually. And our token, Bolton Young, and a Hatchet of Body. All right, all right. Looks like we're about a quarter of the way done. We're almost at the end of this whole booster box. I think I'll probably only show off the... We got a ton of rares, so I think for pool-wise, we'll show off our Majestics and our Cold Foil. And anything that we get that's better than that, but... 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, there we go, a rare foil. This time, a Herald of Triumph. Wow, nice. I'll take that. I like that a lot. I really do like these artworks that they have going for this set. I mean, this is a really awesome set. Ironhide Helm. A rare Howl from Beyond. Yeah, this is why it's 16 plus. Another rare. Vexing Malice. Deal 2 arcane damage to target hero. Plain and simple card. And our token, Hatchet of Mind, and the Spectral Shield. Alright. Let's see what we got in this pack. Now, I'm sorry I'm really quiet. Oh, I miscounted. Let's not talk right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But yeah, sorry I'm really quiet. I really don't know much about this game, so I can't really yap like I can about Pokemon. So that's why I decided to start doing the trick. Just skipping those first 11. But here we go. Ghostly Visit. We got a common. Boneyard Marauder. But yeah, once we start learning more about this, I'll be able to fill in the opening and stuff like that with some filler yapping. Ironhide Legs. A rare Valiant Thrust. Another rare Unhollowed Rites. And our token, Chain, and Galaxy Black. All right. Let's see, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs left. Now, I think Unlimited, as of the recording of this video, I think has come out as well, which is probably why these have dropped from 5 to, you know, 450 to 500 to 300 to 350 a box because of Unlimited. But who knows? I was told to save this until the holiday season, but me, I can't save anything for that long. So I had to open it. I lost count, but I'm pretty sure that was like 9, not 10, but we'll see. Void Wraith. And nope, that was the 10th one. Common Hollow, Zealous Belting. Blood Drop Brocade. A rare Pulping. Ooh, another Majestic. Really? Wow, what a very heavy Majestic box. And Arc Light Sentinel. Wow, I wonder how that thing looks in a cold foil. I bet you that thing is sweet. And our token, Urser the Soul Reaper, and Blasphephet the Soul Harvester. Pretty sure I butchered that, but that's okay. That's an interesting card. Looks like he goes from like an angel to a straight up devil. Cool. Like it. There we go, though. Moving on to our next pack, coming down to the final stretch here. Let's see what we get in this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's see what our foil card's going to be. It's going to be, oh, a rare. Oh, Vexing Malice. There we go. Nice. I like that card. And then we got a Aether Ironweave. A rare Dimensional Gateway. Interesting. Another rare. Out Muscle rare card. Interesting. And our token, Soul Shackle with the Spectral Shield. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We got a Surging Militia. And we got a common foil. Seeds of Agony. Wow, that's a really awesome foil card. The whole tree is just a nice red metallic. That is awesome. Ironhide Helm. A rare Galavius from Bellows of Hell. Convolutions. Sorry. Convolutions from the Bellows of Hell. What a name for a card. Another rare. Prismatic Shield. And our token. A Crane with the Galaxy Black. I'm pretty sure we already have one of those exact ones. Here we go, guys. Coming down to the final 3 packs. Every pack that we open, I think this is just a 1 cold foil box. No 2, no 3. I can't believe I watched a video where some guy got 3 cold foils in 1 box. Insane. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, you know, it's just not. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and here we go. Ooh, there we go. A rare. Ooh, nice. Tremor of Athril. Pretty sure again I'm butchering that, but that's okay. I'll take that. Rare foil. Then Ironhide Gauntlet. Followed by a rare Rise Above. Another rare Parable of Humanity. And for our token, Levia and the Ravenous Meat Axe. All right, 2 more. Ooh, this has been a great box. I mean, I've enjoyed it. I know it's probably hard to watch this just because, again, I don't know much about it, so it's hard to fill in with the yap stuff. But yeah, I do know Pokemon's coming out tomorrow, and you know there'll be a bunch of videos about the new Pokemon coming out for sure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and here we go. Blood Tribute. Another common foil. This time a Hungering Slaughter Beast. Followed by a Halo of Illumination. Another rare. This time another Valiant Thrust. Another rare. Consuming Aftermath. And our token, Prism with the Iris of Reality. I actually really like that. That's really nice and colorful. I really like that side. And here it is, guys, and or ladies. Our last pack. Could we magically pull a second cold foil from this? I highly doubt it. But you never know. Let's see what we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Spew Shadow Common. Let's see what our last foil is. Oh, man, it's just a common foil. Oh, nope, never mind. I guess I miscounted. Just a regular common. So now let's see what we got. Still just a common foil. But hey, that's a pretty sick one. I'll take it. Blinding Beam. It's a hard-hitting foil. And then we got an Ironhide Gauntlet. A rare Battlefield Blitz. And a rare Valiant Thrust. No double cold foil box. Levia, Shadowborn, Abomination, and Levia. But hey, that's cool. I'll take it for our first ever recorded Flesh and Blood video. Technically my second since the first one messed up. But hey, let me go ahead, clean up the space, get some thing in sleeves. And let's go ahead and check out our stuff in the wrap up. And welcome back. We have a small stack of some nice cards to go through. Let's take a look at our Majestics and our, I think I also put regular, like rare hollows, Majestic hollows in the cold foil, but I didn't do the regular rares just because there were so many of them. So as far as regular Majestics go, Herald of Erudition, again, probably pronouncing it wrong. Bolting Blade, Tomb of Torment, Shadow Puppetry, Arc Light Sentinel. This is where we get into our rare hollows. Battlefield Blitz, Endless Maw, Herald of Triumph, Vexing Malice, Tremor of Arathel, and our Majestic foil, Nourishing Emptiness, and our cold foil, the good old common Stubby Hammerers cold foil. Woo, I'll take it. But hey guys, like I said, if you guys want to see more Flesh and Blood, let me know by dropping a comment and a like. And also, I guess while you're at it, subscribe. And like I said, tomorrow is the release of Chilling Reign for Pokemon. I think I have a short that I'm going to upload for you guys. But, you know, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that's when we'll be releasing all that new content with all the new stuff so we can see where the pulls are at. But without further ado, guys, again, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.